Little storyteller.
Barnaby the bunny had fur like soft white cotton and big floppy ears. He loved adventures. One sunny morning, while playing in his garden, a sparkly swirl of rainbow colors appeared in the air. It shimmered and grew, becoming a wiggly-giggly doorway. Peeking through the doorway, Barnaby gasped. He saw trees made of swirly lollipops and bushes bursting with colorful jelly beans. "Wow!" he whispered, and hopped right through. He found himself in the jelly bean jungle. Tall licorice vines hung down like giant black ropes. A little bluebird with feathers, like shiny blueberries, chirped a hello. "Welcome to the jungle," she sang. "I'm Berry." Berry showed Barnaby how to swing on the licorice vines. It felt like flying. They soared through the air, giggling as they went. Below them flowed a river of sparkling gummy bears, wobbling gently. Suddenly, Berry chirped a warning. "Look out for the sticky quicksand." In a clearing they saw patches of gooey, caramel-colored quicksand bubbling softly. "If you step in, you'll get stuck," Berry explained. To cross the clearing, Berry had a clever idea. She found some large, flat chocolate coins. "We can use these as stepping stones," she chirped, placing them carefully across a patch of quicksand. Barnaby carefully hopped onto the chocolate coins. One by one, Berry flew alongside, guiding him. Soon they were safely on the other side. That was fun. Barnaby giggled. They continued their adventure, exploring the candy wonderland. They saw rivers of fizzy pop and mountains made of gumdrops. Everything smelled sweet and delicious. As the sun began to set, casting a warm golden glow over the candy jungle, Barnaby knew it was time to go home. He hugged Berry goodbye. "Thank you for the wonderful adventure," he said. Berry chirped happily. "Come back soon." Barnaby hopped back through the sparkly portal and found himself in his own garden again. He smiled, remembering his journey. He learned that even when there are sticky situations, like the quicksand, having a friend with a good idea can help you find a sweet solution. And that makes any adventure even better.
Please subscribe. Thank you.